Hey guys, welcome back to a new system test of the Simplex 4010 demo system. As you can see here, I have some different devices up, all Simplex pull stations now. As you can see, I am joined with a whole bunch of people. The main person who made this system test is Ryan Woods, TAA. He's there. These are all the devices he picked out. Now, you probably haven't seen this on my channel before, but here is the back of the demo board. As you can see, there's a Simplex 4009. This does get controlled by the 4010 via the SLC circuit, but all the outputs are not ID NAC. So a standard true alerts go on this. Right there we have an addressable smoke detector, and right there we have the annunciator. And as you can see, it's the one with the programmable lights and the lock right there. Now going back to the front of the board here, as you can see, we obviously have the 4010. The first spot, which is a horn, this is a low frequency system sensor horn strobe.
P2WH-LF.
Yeah, and this other one right here is just
an HR-LF.
As you can see right here, we have an addressable smoke detector. These two are just empty boxes. Down here, we have a 425120, and we have a break glass pull station, which is 2099.
2099-9103.
Yeah, and this one over here is also a addressable pull station. It's the addressable one with a little light right there. Alright, and last thing we're going to do is I did get a real Simplex key, so that's cool. As you can see inside the panel, no batteries today, just because I didn't want to go grab them. All the wiring just like normal. So yeah, these right now are kind of set to code 3, I think. They're not really synced, so if you can't see flashing lights, do not watch this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what pull station should I pull first?
The 2099-9103. The break glass one.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was kind of weird.
Really loud.
Alright, and as you can see, we're back on the other side here. Here is the smoke detector, and we can go ahead and use a smoke saber for this. So yeah, let's get started. 3, 2, 1. I'm using a little bit more than normal just so it goes quicker. And that 4009 is not on right now. It just is for that. There we go. And I'm not going to reset since the pull station is still pulled on the other side, but when I take the key out, it does a lamp test. Alright, so now let's go ahead and pull one more pull station on the other side. Alright guys, which one should I pull now?
I thought 4251.
Alright.
You should key activate the 9004 after.
Alright. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Most lower frequency devices are very loud. I'm not sure if you'd heard me when that was going off, but those are very loud devices. If you don't want knowledge, please. Alright. Yes, they are. And now I'm going to go ahead and key activate from per File Guy 13's request. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we can go ahead and reset all devices. I'm just going to go ahead and pull the smoke detector. And I already aired out the smoke detector on the other side. And now I'm just going to go ahead and reset the panel. And just like Simplex normally does, this thing's going to take quite a while to reset. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Again,
Simplex is stupid.
Okay. And remember to join my Discord server with the link below. We're now up to around 64 members.
60,
Yeah, 64. So yeah, join that. We talk about fire alarms. You can show off your collection. It really adds to the community. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.